on to a picturesque fishing village just a short distance from Bombay. This quaint little habitation seems to have no connection with the mainland, and life in general appears to be carried on quite apart from the outside world. All the people who live here are engaged in the fish industry, and as strange as it may seem, many of them are strict vegetarians, and therefore will not eat fish of any kind. Even in this peaceful little village, there is a rigid system of caste. Here we find two attractive young ladies of the proud fisherfolk class. The dress each is wearing is called a sari. It is a one-piece garment which unwinds to about 8 yards in length. Look closely at these young ladies and you will see a round dot in the center of their foreheads. This dot, which is usually made of red paint, signifies that the wearer is married or eligible for marriage. The flower pot before which they are standing contains the sacred tulsi plant, an emblem of virtue, which is worshipped exclusively by Indian girls. The story goes that a certain virtuous maiden named Tulsi was changed into a plant just as she was about to be assaulted by a demon. Thus, the Tulsi plant became a shrine of chastity for virtuous Indian girls. The chief occupation for the women of this village is in drying and preparing the fish which is caught by the men. The method for treating the fish is to first soak them in salt and then lay them out on the sun-baked ground. When they are thoroughly dried, they are tied in small bundles and sent to market. These women are treating a smaller species of shrimp, which is swept about in this manner until it is sufficiently salted and dried. It is then used in preparing the famous Indian curry,